Hi, hello, this is Jason Yu. Today, I would like to introduce one of the beautiful detached home, which is double garage, 4-bedroom with a finished basement. This location is located on the Bercy. They have two really good schools nearby. One is a Castle Mall, okay, and the other one is a Pietre. Okay, so if you want to bring your children to a Markham school district, I think this is one of the good choice. So let's go inside and take a look. So for this one is a double garage detached home. Okay, so the front entrance with a double door. Okay, and the main floor, which is a 9-foot ceiling. Okay, this is the main entrance, and the owner they spend the money for the whole renovation. So it's you can see it's a very good conditions and good layout. And once you turn right, okay, and then you can see this is the powder room. This is the powder room. Okay. And then they have the double garage entrance from this way. Let's go to take a look. So this is the entrance to the double garage. Okay, this is a full size double garage. Okay, and let's go to kitchen to take a look. And this one, the frontage is a 60, okay, in the front, 50 at the back. So it's a really good size on the frontage though. So this one is a fully upgraded kitchen, and they have the eat-in area, dining area, and also they have a fireplace here for the family room. Okay, so really good size, high ceiling, 9-foot ceiling. And let's take a look here. This one has a huge, good size backyard. Okay, they have an interlock all the way. Okay, so even they can go back to the front yard on this side. Okay, so let's go to second floor to take a look though. So I like this home because it's fully upgraded, move-in condition, and the color is very neutral and very modern as well. So when we go into the second floor, they have a 4-bedroom. On the left-hand side, okay, is the first room. Okay, so for this room, it's a really good size. Okay, and the owner, they renovated. Okay, everything is new. And here is the washroom for 3 pieces, full bathroom. And then going to this one is a master bedroom. This master bedroom is really good size. And also they have a huge closet. And this one is a full washroom. And then let's go to take a look. Okay, so this one, they have the washroom here. Okay, and this one is the other room is on this side. And this one is the 4th bedroom. And this one with the washroom, they go back to connect it with the other one. Okay, so far, this one is a really functional 4-bedroom detached in Markham, Bercy. And if you want to know more information, you can feel free to give me a call, okay, or you can text me. Okay, my phone number is 647-6944-333, 647-6944-333. This is Jason Yu. Looking forward to talk to you soon. Bye.